Motors drive the industry and provide convenience in everyday life. These motors are used in various fields all over the world. However, if motors are not maintained properly, discontinued production thereof may reduce productivity, revenue and energy efficiency, affect product quality, and result in secondary safety accidents. These lead to a direct or indirect influence on cost increases. The IoT Motor Diagnosis System accurately diagnoses the state of equipment in real time and automatically notifies you of the solution. The IoT Motor Diagnosis System analyzes the voltage and current signal supplied to the motor. To do this, you only need to connect a simple sensor between the motor and the motor distribution board. The diagnosis system analyzes the current state of the motor and makes estimations of the motor health. The system does the comparison analysis between the measured data from the motor and the healthy baseline motor database. It does not miss even the slightest difference and analyzes it carefully to diagnose the abnormalities. Then it gives advance notice of the possibility of failure in real time. As well as taking advantage of more than 10 million big data sets for failure patterns, the system diagnoses the performance of the motor and periodically informs you of precautions, risks, maintenance, and time to replace parts with its periodic notification function. In addition, the system is simply installed in the motor control panel, and the diagnostic results are analyzed automatically. The system is easy to use, even if you're not an expert. It is convenient to manage the system remotely over a network. The IoT Motor Diagnosis System is not only able to detect electrical faults, but also mechanical faults of various types of industrial equipment driven by a 3-phase AC motor. Additionally, the system is also capable of detecting the abnormalities of the connection cables and terminal blocks, changes in the load and supply. Hence, the system allows you to see in real time whether the motor is performing at its best. Motors that consume the most power in the industrial field often run at low efficiency during long-term operation. If the efficiency of such motors are managed properly, it can save a considerable amount of the existing energy consumption, which then can save electricity costs. The IoT Motor Diagnosis System has a built-in high-performance power quality measurement function for electrical signal analysis. It is an integrated solution that saves energy. Correctly timed maintenance and repair actions, initiated by the diagnosis system, allows the motor to last longer at the lowest cost, without suffering from quality problems, accidents, or sudden motor failures. If you take advantage of the IoT Motor Diagnosis System, you can experience a more economic, efficient, and safer world.